This is a video for homework 6, number 10. This is 4.2.25. So what we're given here is the data for the total compensation for 10 randomly selected CEOs and their company stock performance. And they're telling us that the correlation coefficient is an R value of negative 0.1798. They want to know what the predicted stock return for a company whose CEO made 15 million would be and what the predicted return for a company whose CEO made 25 million would be. Now this problem, they're actually trying to trick you a little bit. So the whole idea here is if you don't have a linear relationship when it comes to these two variables, which is compensation and stock performance data, you really can't use a linear regression to go ahead and predict one from the other. Now remember, you're going to have a strong linear correlation coefficient or a strong linear relationship when your R value is either close to positive 1 or close to negative 1. Considering this is actually really close to 0, it's negative 0.1798, not anywhere near like 0.99 or negative 0.99, we cannot use a linear regression to go ahead and predict what the stock would be. So when that happens, what we do is we actually use the mean value as the prediction. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the icon to view the compensation and stock performance data, and then put this into StatCrunch. So just to kind of show you why you can't go ahead and use this, if we go to Stat and we do a regression, now remember, no matter what, if you ask StatCrunch to do a linear regression, it's going to do it, even if it's not a good fit. But just to show you what this looks like, this is the linear regression. It's going to give you notice. It gives us the same correlation coefficient here that we were given in the problem. But if you look at the picture, look how far away these dots are away from that line. This line is not a good predictor of one to the other, compensation to stock return. So we can't use it. So we're not going to use it. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to take the mean value of the stock returns. Now to do that in StatCrunch, you'll just go to Stat. We'll go to Summary Stats and do the column, and we're going to find the mean for the stock return. That's all I need is mean, and click Compute. So our mean value here, our mean stock return percentage is 17.27, which we're going to round to the 10th place and make 17.3. So notice if I go here, both of these answers are 17.3 because we cannot use this CEO how much he made in order to do the stock performance. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions.